This is my room and this is the entrance. So when you get in, this is the view. More like the room has an imaginary line at the middle. This place is for my roommates, while here is for me. We do not have bunk, like I've mentioned in one of my video. We do not have bunk because the bunks provided we are not okay, we are not enough. It's not as if we are much in this school. So I wonder why we would not have enough bunk. So this is my roommate space. This is her bed, a mattress on the floor. We just basically try to move around. Move through the space provided for us. No be say there is specific space for our clothes or our shoes or our makeup or whatsoever. We just try to make use of what is being provided. So over here is her wardrobe. I will not be showing it because of privacy. And then over here is my own wardrobe. Like I have in my clothes and my food stuff there, my clothes up. Sorry, it is scattered. I've not arranged it, but we have to manage it like that. So up there is my clothes. Down here is my food stuff, my provision, my everything. Anything food is down there. And then I have this space where I keep my books. My space is always scattered. You guys should be used to it by now. So this is my own space. In there I have my books, my handouts and everything. So that's my shoe, and this is my mattress on the floor. My roommate brought this her mattress from home. The reason why it is this big, normally it is not supposed to be this big. The mattress they share in school is a very small one, like my own. Mine is for the school, from the school, while hers was brought from her home. And I have two mattresses here. The reason why this mattress is a bit high, I know most people be like this mattress is low, but this high because I have a second mattress under, which was given to me by my roommate. I don't know how come she had two mattresses, but she shall give me one. Now imagine I am using just the one mattress given to me by the school. It means I would literally be lying on the floor, because considering the cold, everything, the cold will still enter my body, and my body will still in one way or the other get in contact with the floor, which is not nice. You did not provide a good mattress, like a thick mattress, and you still did not provide bunk. At least if I'm on a bunk now, I wouldn't be complaining of a low mattress. But I have two mattresses. Let me show you the other one. So this is the second mattress under. Over here is my kitchen space. This is where I cook, close to my mattress, to where I sleep. So this is my gas. This is a 6 kg gas, and this is a bucket. I use this to fetch water into this storage bucket. This is where I store water for cooking and maybe drinking whenever I do not have sachet water to drink. So I drink the water from the tap. And under here is a bag of water, a bag of sachet. Is this sachet or sachet water? I don't know, but I am keeping it there because hostel, if you show them you have water, drinking water, even those that do not buy, that normally will not use their money to buy water, they will start drinking your own. Sorry for my white lips, I just finished brushing because I'm about to take my bath. So this bottle, I came back from home and met it here. This is not for me because I don't drink soda again. My bad, I did not inform you guys that I'll be going on a no soda year. Like this year I have decided not to drink soda again, like any soda. I don't, if it is not normal drink, natural drink like kunu, zobo, all those fruit juice. Even the fruit juice, I'm not going to be taking canned fruit juice or processed fruit juice. Even the zobo that we consume self, how sure are we there are no preservatives? How sure are we there are no saccharin inside? If you be saying that you do something by yourself at home, then you are not sure of, or you should not be too sure of the ingredients used in that particular food. So I have decided that I will not be taking soda again. If not be natural drink, I don't want. And it baffles me, like I am doing great in it already. I can see I am doing great in it already. I went home on Friday. Today is Monday, so I went home on Friday. I just came back yesterday. for weekend. And normally on Fridays I usually like a get together mini celebration in our house, because my sisters and everybody just come together and we cook and have drinks. And I was surprised that I did not drink anything. Others were drinking Fanta, drinking Coke, Montina and the rest, and I was drinking water. Like, if I can do that, if I can pass through that phase of not drinking juice when every other person is drinking, then I think it is a good thing to show that I am doing well. Do you get? So I am really proud of myself. I insisted my mom would give me the money for the drink instead of me drinking it, and I am super proud of myself, to be honest. And again, yesterday we had an event in my neighborhood. My neighbor had something to do, and then definitely they'll share drinks. I was surprised that I actually did not drink it. I brought the Montina for my friend, for my roommates here in the hostel, and it is making me proud of myself, honestly speaking. I like it. I love it. Okay, yeah, I think I mentioned it in one of my videos that I titled I will on the thumbnail. I think I wrote I will be rich in 2023. So this is one way I am working towards being rich in 2023, avoiding anything that has to do with soda. Like I said, I instead of drinking that Montina or that Fanta on Friday, I took the money from my mom. Like, I told her to give me the money. So now imagine, and I used the money for transport coming to school. So imagine if I had drank that Fanta, I would have used a different money to come to school. Do you get? So it is more like me saving, and which is part of the goal for 2023, to save more, to be more financially cautious, to be more intentional about my finance, my money, what leaves my account and what stays in my account. That is what my 2023 is basically. I digress. This is actually a house, a room tour, and not all of this, whatever I'm saying. I do not know why my pots are inside. I think my roommate kept them there. But sure, and that's my frying pan over there. It's a non-stick frying pan. I bought the normal steel frying pan, and it has wasted my oil several times. So I just said, let me just buy this non-stick, should be better. So yes, this is where we keep. This place is also dirty, but I have to do this video now. Here is also where we keep our plates, our kitchen utensils and all. These are my rubbers, and in here we have flasks, cups, plates. No, not spoons, but flasks, cups, plates, and what else? Yeah, cooking spoon. And here we have the eating spoon, and we have the bowl here. Basically I and my roommate join, let's say, our kitchen things together. Like spoon, she uses my spoon, I use her spoon. So it is not something, okay, we say we differentiate. Though if you're using this spoon, you know it is not for you, it is for me. So if I'm going back home today, I will take my things back home, and if she's going back home today, she'll take whatever she has with me back home. So if you're using it, you know, okay, this thing I'm using is not for me, it's for my roommate. So that's just basically how we run our life in this room. It can be different for, it may be different for other students, but this is how we run ours. And then she has nets, this net here connected up. At night she just drops it and like fix it in all corners. But I do not have. I had before, but it fell down. I just felt lazy. Though the hostel was newly renovated. Otherwise, before we do not even have a fan. You have to bring a standing fan from your home or from your house. Because I have one. I actually have a standing fan. It's in my friend's house. So we do not have this fan here before. It was recently renovated, and up till now the school is still under renovation. And we also do not have this lights here, and the other lights, and this other one. This one too, the socket was here, but you have to bring your own bulb from your house. So this bulb was not here too before, and it was just recently renovated. So yeah, that is just basically how our hostel room looks like, our Nigeria. But I know this is not the typical hostel room, because the main campus, that is ABU Ahmadu Bello University. I think the least number they have in the room is 6, but we are just 2 here, at most 3, which is still not up to the number of students they have over there in NAIMA. And even this floor was renovated too. It wasn't like this, it was broken. You see this part of the carpet that is like this, it was as a result of a big hole that was here before, but it has been filled up, and they literally broke the floor and just fixed this. Forgotten the name they call this kind of floor, but this is how it is. It's not slippery and I like it. And then over there we have our curtains. So you can see this turnout carpet. It has been here since our first semester. So, and I ain't gonna buy any carpet, even in my last year, even in my next year, I am not going to buy any carpet. So this is how the room basically looks like. 2 beds on the floor, 2 mattresses on the floor, kitchen, and a place for our plates, spoons, and everything. And then we have that, what's it called, kettle over there. That is what we use to boil water for bathing and for tea or anything, sure. And then that bulb. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section. Bye.